In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your comment on someone's Instagram post or reel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then just tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile. Now, if you want to delete your comment on someone's post or reel on Instagram, I'll show you how you can easily find and view all of your comments and how you can easily delete them. To do that, we need to tap right here at these three lines to head over to Settings and Privacy, where we can easily find your activity. We need to get into your activity, and that's where you will see comments. If you tap at comments, it will show you all your comments you have ever left on Instagram. That's how we can easily check them. They are sorted by default from newest to oldest. However, also we can filter it by dates, authors, and shared on Facebook. Once you find a comment you would like to delete, you can hit on it, and then you will be redirected to the particular post and directly to your comment. And then if you want to delete your comment from here, all you have to do is just swipe to the left on a comment and then hit Add Trash Bin. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.